Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I am showing you how to make logo design with Ellipse tool. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. I make a design on paper first. Make a shape with Ellipse tool. Convert into stroke and increase stroke size. Select both circles and go to Object and expand it. Go to Pathfinder and unite. Select Rectangle tool and make a straight rectangle shape. Make a line with pen tool and increase stroke size, and expand it. Delete extra shape with Shape Builder. Select all files and merge both shapes with Shape Builder, and delete extra shapes. Make a straight line with pen tool, convert into stroke and increase stroke size, go to Object and expand it. Now delete it. Select shape, go to Object and make offset path. Make background and color it. Put shape in it and color it. Convert inner shape into stroke and increase stroke size, then go to Object and expand it. Put text in it. I'm using Piano and Nitaka fonts. align with background. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.